Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review VeriDoc. VeriDoc is a tool by which you can sign and protect your document by using blockchain technology. And they're saying that VeriDoc Sign uses blockchain technology to keep your e-signed documents secure and tampering. So that means this tool is basically a electronic sign management system that will protect your and your client's electronic sign by using blockchain technology. And they are claiming, guys, that the alternative of Adobe Sign and HelloSign. Now, if you see the lifetime deal pricing of VeriDoc Sign, here they are offering up to license tier 3, and on license tier 1 it's only 69 USD, and you will get 25 envelopers per month. Here on license tier 3 you will get everything unlimited. Now what this enveloper means, see, this is the dashboard of VeriDoc, and here I have created one enveloper, and under every enveloper you can basically upload one PDF or one file where you and your client can sign. I hope you get idea, guys, what is this enveloper means. That means in every enveloper you can upload one of your documents, and if you need unlimited number of documents to upload on your dashboard, then you have to get this license tier 3. Otherwise this license tier 1 or 2 you need to get. These are the things, guys. Now without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of VeriDoc Sign and let's explore how things works here and how it can be helpful for you. But before that, one thing I want to mention, guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you're interested to join such group, guys, you are cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now this is the dashboard of VeriDoc Sign, and it's very straightforward. See, here have option for dashboard, manage user, and create new envelope. If you want to upload your document, then you have to just click here, create new envelope. So if I click here, create new envelope, it will redirect you to this page, and here you can select your document as public or as private. Let's say I will keep it as private, and then here you have to upload your document. And if I just click here, and then let's say I will select one of my PDF here just for test purpose. See, it's uploading, guys. So the PDF has been uploaded, guys. It will take some time and it will depend on the file size of your PDF basically. And then see, here you have to add the signer and viewer, and that means the people from whom you want to get the signature or digital signature, you have to add their name and email here. Let's say I'll add here my client's email and name. Here is the name of my client and here is the email of my client, let's say. But this is my email, guys. I'm doing this just for test purpose. After that, here you can select the role. You can select the role as signer or as viewer, and here have option. You can add here your private note. That means this note will be visible only to you. The signer or the viewer will not see these notes basically. So these are the things, guys. And after adding these things, there have option for add a new row. Here you can add as many new client email you want to add. I hope you get idea, guys. And if you do not want to add, just click here on this delete button. So I'm adding here one person just for test purpose. And then they have option for, would you like to send custom message to all signers and viewers? If you select here yes, then here you can add custom message. See, here have subject line and here have message. So you can send the custom message to your signers and viewers. But if you do not want, just click here or select here no. But in my case, let's say I want to send the customized message. So let's say here in the subject line I'll select Passivern e sign, and then here in the message section I'll add message, please sign on Passivern to subscribe. Okay, let's say this is my message. And after doing these things, guys, it's very easy. You have to select the private or public things of your PDF or of your document, and then you have to upload the document. You have to upload, and then you have to enter the details of your signer or viewer, and then you have to enter your custom message if you want. And after that, just click here next. And then see, this is the PDF that I have been uploaded. Let's say this is your PDF that you want to send to your clients, and then you want to get their signature. And if I go to the bottom of this page, you can go anywhere. Let's say I will keep it in the bottom, and see, here I have secured QR code. For every document, guys, it will generate a secure QR code. By scanning this QR code, people can get access of this PDF or of this document. And after that, they have signature. See, here I have sign here option, date sign option, and then they have text. If you want to add any text, you can add text. Similarly, people can add here their name, position, company, and initials if you want. Let's say I'll give their name here, position here, and company here. Okay, these are the things, guys. And in every case, see, here I have option to change the font size, to make it bold, italic, underlined. You can change the font size, you can change the date format here, and you can change the backslash, hyphen, or period, what you want to give here. And in the text section, see, similarly, here is the text. Let's say here in the text section, I'll keep by default thank you, but people can change it. That means if they do not want to keep here thank you, then they can change it, but by default here the thank you text will be shown. These are the things, guys. And similarly, people can add their name here, position, and company. I hope you get idea, and these things you can place anywhere you want. I hope you get idea, guys, about this editing feature. And after that, just click here next. And here they are asking ready to continue. Yes, submit. So now it's saying that an email has been sent to all signers. That means all the signers or all of your clients whose contact details you have been added here, this VeriDoc sign has been sent one email to them. And let me check if the email has come here. Okay, maybe this one. Let it be load. Yes, see, this is the email. This type of email will be sent to your client basically. And then if they click on this view document option, they will be redirected to this page. And from here, they can check the document basically. Okay, let me continue. And then from here, they can check the document. And after that, it will ask them to sign. And see, here I have option for name, initials, position. They can add company name, they can add, and then they can here add their signature. See, there have a lot of signature still, but if they want, they can also draw. See, there have drawing option. Also, they can upload their own image from their device. Let's say I will draw here something. See, I'm drawing by using my mouse, guys, but still it's very smooth. I hope you can see, guys. But if you use here iPad or tablet, then this signature will be more smooth and more beautiful, I think. So these are the things, guys. You can clear the signature also from here, and then just click here continue. So your clients have to do just this thing, guys. And then if I click here next, or if your client click here next, then this signature will be bring here, and then they can edit the signature, they can clear the signature. They can also change the date from here, they can change the text, and by default it will be thank you. And see, these are the things. And see, their name, their designation, and their company name will be added here, that I have been set up previously. I hope you get idea, guys, about this signature tool. And then if your client click here next, okay, here if I click here next, maybe I need to give something here, thank you. Okay, and then okay, here your client have to submit some text. And then if I click here submit, then let me see what happened. So it has been submitted, guys. See, it's redirecting to this dashboard. That means your clients will be redirected to this dashboard basically. And then now if you check the dashboard, if I click here visit dashboard, Here, let it be load. See, here have the Bitcoin white paper PDF that I have been uploaded right now. And see, here have blurry license key. This is another PDF that I have been uploaded previously. If I just click here, I'll show you what is the verification. And see here, you can see the blockchain status and unsigned document and signed document. It will scan by using its blockchain technology, and you can see who has been created this document. You can see the create date. You can see the sign status. If it is completed, then it will show completed. And if you click here, you will see who are the clients who have been signed on your document basically. And see, this is the client who has been signed on my document. I hope you get idea, guys. And you can change the access. You can keep it as private or public. If you want to send this document to more person or to more of your clients, then you can just click here, add new viewer, and then you can add their contact details here basically. So these are the things. And then they have download option. You can download their signature, you can share it, and then they have option to visit result page. So you can visit the result page also from here. And let me check the result page. See, this is the result page. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea. And here another thing I want to clarify, guys. People have to sign in here at first, but in my case I didn't need to sign in because I am already signed in on this browser. That's why I didn't need to sign in. But for your client, they have to sign in at first. See, this is the sign in page, and then they can sign on your document. I hope you get idea, guys, about this VeriDoc Sign tool. And it's very easy to use, but it will help you to protect and in case of your security of electronic signature. And the next option is manage user. If I go to the manage user section, see here you can add your user basically. You can just click here, create new, and then you can add your user. And see, they have option for account type. You can here add admin or user. You can also enable the two-factor authentication. You can add their first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, position title, phone number, and their current access you can add. So these are the things, guys. And what this current access means, if you select here this one, that means all the access that this person have, this new person will get all the access of this person. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea. And then you have to just click here, create, and then you can add your manager. So these are the things, guys. And if you go to the dashboard section, you will see all your envelopes. And see, there have two envelopes. And if you go to the lifetime deal page of VeriDoc Sign, here see, depending on the number of envelope, these license tiers will be changed, guys. So here I have been added two envelope, and depending on your need, you have to choose which tier you need to get. I hope you get idea, guys, about this tool. And the last option is this my account. There are available. If I explore the my account section, here you can see the billing detail, you can see your personal detail, and you can here change your organization detail basically, and you can reset your password. I hope you get idea, guys, about this VeriDoc Sign. If you think as you need this type of tool to protect your client's e-signature, or for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this VeriDoc Sign lifetime deal from AppSumo. As of now, I'm recording this video. They just launched their lifetime deal today, and it's really amazing deal. If you think is you need this type of tool for your business, then you can get this deal from AppSumo, and you can get at least 10% discount, guys, on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on VeriDoc Sign lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think is this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.